Hello from AlphaCars in our new Acton location. We are here to check out today 2015 Porsche Panamera S4, a gorgeous automobile. As usual, we bring to you original factory quality. This car has no previous paint work. It has very low mileage, and it's in impeccable condition with some amazing options. It's got a nice sound from the Porsche exhaust. It has 19,653 miles. It is absolutely like new condition, as you can see from switches, dashboard, seats, even driver's seat bolster is impeccable. Doors. Panamera is a sports car for 4 people. The rear passengers have amazing comfort, excellent sports seats, and they can enjoy Porsche performance. Panamera is luxurious. We sold a lot of them, and without exception, everybody absolutely loves them. As I go around the vehicle, there are absolutely no imperfections. It's one of those exceptionally nice, very nice automobiles. All the original tools, everything is in great condition. Look at the condition of the carpets. Beautiful sound of the exhaust of the Panamera 4S. Lines, Porsche lines always have been great, but they outdid themselves on the Panamera. Such a long car and very well balanced look.